Greetings, food lovers. Today we're going to dive into a delicious adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and just inspire creativity in your kitchen. We're going to do a Balinese creamy curry chicken that is so good and easy to do. We're going to go ahead and dive into it. We're going to season our chicken up. We're going to do some salt. I have 4 chicken breasts right here. Good amount of salt. Herbies Balinese curry, which is an absolute delightful spice. Has tinctures, ginger, lemon myrtle, all the good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and put about a teaspoon, mix it in there. Can never have enough. And the herbies has to crack black pepper. And like always, the Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil. And just give it a nice little coat. Let's get in with our hands, get everything nice and coated. You could smell that lemon myrtle. You could smell the ginger. Yummy. Okay, got everything coated very nice. Now behind me I have a pan. We're gonna get it warm and then we're gonna put a little olive oil, a little butter in it. And we're gonna get these very nicely golden brown on each side. We're gonna keep that pan on the stove because we want all those beautiful chicken bits on it because we're gonna deglaze it with our rest of our ingredients. Right when the butter is all melted, let's go in with the chicken. All right, it's been about 3 minutes in the pan with a little bit of oil, butter. We want to flip it right when it's nice and golden brown. You could smell all that curry. It smells like you're walking in Padang, Bali, and you're seeing all the chicken skewer places. Smells great. Let's flip it. And we're just going to cook this for another 2 minutes or so. And we're going to take it out and utilize the same pan. All right, our chicken's been flipped. It's been cooking for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna squeeze over there. I'm gonna take the chicken out and then we're gonna start putting all the other ingredients in it. Let's go. First and foremost, I'm gonna take out some of this oil in the pan. Not a lot, because we want that flavor. Great. All right, so we took the chicken out of the pan. We left a little bit of that fat from the chicken, all the flavor. Now we're gonna put our garlic in the pan and just get it to where it's just aromatic. And then we're gonna start throwing our tomatoes in there until they blister a little bit, our spinach. Follow me. So I put the garlic in the pan with all that extra fat from the chicken and we're deglazing it. And we're just gonna cook it until it gets nice and aromatic. Now we're gonna toss in our cherry tomatoes. And we're gonna cook these for about 2 minutes until they start to blister a little bit. But as always, we're gonna season every step of the way. Do some salt. Herbies black pepper. Herbies oregano. Boom. Let that cook for a sec. All right, we put our garlic in, we got it fragrant. We put our cherry tomatoes in and we're just waiting for those to blister a little bit. And then our herbies oregano, and I seasoned it again with our salt and our herbies aztec black pepper. Season always step of the way, best way. Let's go ahead and throw some sauteed spinach in right here. And then after I put the spinach in, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a teaspoon of the Balinese curry. So we just put our spinach in and another teaspoon of the Herbies Balinese curry. It smells like a street market in here. It's great. I got my cream and I got my Parmesan. We're gonna do our cream first and let all the flavors join together. And then we're gonna finish it with some Parmesan and then put our chicken back in it and finish this all up. Let's go ahead and throw some Parmesan cheese in there and our chicken. Give it a stir. After we put the chicken in, we're just gonna slowly roll it for about 5 minutes and boom. It smells delightful. Let's get it on a cutting board, let's throw it on a plate. Bon appetit. Balinese curry creamy chicken. So easy to do, and it's a great recipe for a Wednesday night. Enjoy it with the caress.